Hello, my name is Paige Slyman, and I'm the owner of Slyman Real Estate. I've been in business for 20 years, and I've always looked for a good appliance repair company and person. About 3 years ago, I did some extensive research. I found Nick and his company online. I had great reviews. I gave him a phone call real quick, assigned him one referral just to see how he would do. It was reported back to me that he was not only called the client on time, but he was honest and he was fair, and his pricing was very reasonable. I can proudly say that over the past 3 years, I probably give Nick 2 to 3 referrals every couple weeks. He's constantly on my mind from the standpoint of knowing this. This is the number one thing with me. He's honest, he's fair, and he's not going to do anything that would take advantage of a situation which he may even possibly be able to. So I highly recommend Nick and all that he does, and look forward to a long-standing relationship with he and his company.